Right now, we're using 3 different things. It exposes dead cost or, overhead that maybe we don't know about because it gets lost in those 3 different systems going across, utilization rates, locations that are inaccessible or hard to get to for our truck drivers and the dispatch functions, the ability to account for their time. You don't have to go out and do all the samsara on everything. It tracks it all. I think that my people are excited about consolidating everything into one platform. Visibility of the repairs on their end, being able to see it, being able in real time to use the device to punch in a request to move this machine to follow. Because these guys, they like their machines, right? They want to move a machine along with them because they know how well it maintained or how well it runs, to expand our capabilities with what we have before we just generically grow, right? We're going to grow in the right spots, I think. Oh, it's been excellent having people here to do the on-site training, to ask real questions, to have, frankly, we're not your only customer. So to have undivided attention also been well worth it. Yeah, I can't imagine a company not doing it if they're going to implement it. And I can see the excitement in their eyes. Now is the most important part, and it's when we push. We push them to use it, we push them, and we rip a Band-Aid off. You just be done with the other side.